In today's video, I will be showing you how to start a food blog for total beginners. We'll be going over everything that you need to start your food blog, how to customize it, and how to ultimately make money with your food blog. The first step in creating a food blog is choosing your niche and defining your brand. By specializing in a specific type of cuisine, dietary preference, or cooking style can help you attract a dedicated audience. Define your brand by choosing a name, logo, and color scheme that reflects your niche and personal style. There's plenty of platforms out there to create your website, but the one that we recommend is Hostinger. Reason being is they're very affordable. We use it for all of our websites, and we have a special discount code below where you can get an even better price. So if you want to get started with Hostinger today, then go ahead and click the link down in the description, which will bring you to this page right here. So go ahead and click on Start Now, and you can choose from one of Hostinger's 3 plans: the premium, the business, or the cloud startup. But for most of you watching, the premium or the business will be more than enough. With the premium plan, you can create up to 100 websites. That comes with about 25,000 visits monthly. You get 100 gigabytes SSD storage, 400,000 files and directories, free pre-built templates, free automatic website migration, unlimited free SSL, a free email, weekly backups, WordPress vulnerability scanner, WordPress auto updates, and you get a free domain for 1 year along with other stuff. So go ahead and choose your plan by clicking choose plan, and that will bring you to this page here. Now from here, you can go ahead and choose the length of term that you want to sign up for Hostinger with initially. You can choose 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, or 48 months. And the longer the term that you select, the better savings that you are going to receive. But for this example, we'll go ahead and select 12 months. And let's go ahead and scroll down here to the bottom. And as you can see, you're already going to get a 73% discount just by using this link. But if you come on here and you click on have a coupon code, just type in my first website, hit apply, and you can see that goes from $38.28 to $34.45. So for $34.45, you'll be able to create 100 websites with your Hostinger hosting plan for 1 year, which is an insane deal. Hostinger also has a 30-day money-back guarantee. If for whatever reason you aren't happy with Hostinger, you can go ahead and get your money back. Okay, so once you are signed into your brand new Hostinger account, it's going to look something like this. And here you can go ahead and see your hosting plan that you just signed up for over here on the left. It might look a little different than this, but it should look very similar. Now, the first thing that you should do at this point is come on over here to domains, and this is where you can go ahead and select your free domain for the first year that you get when you sign up with Hostinger. So you can go ahead and search for your domain here. We recommend trying to find something with a .com, as that just tends to be a very trustworthy extension. Go ahead and search for whatever domain you'd like and select that. Now, after that, what you're going to want to do is come over here to websites, and here you're going to add websites. So this is how we're going to create your food blog website. So go ahead and hit the plus sign, and from here you can choose from a couple different options. There's the WordPress option, which is a little bit more customizable but takes a little bit more technical knowledge, and then there's the Hostinger website builder, which is an AI powered drag and drop website builder. For this example, we'll be using Hostinger's website builder as it's very beginner friendly. Okay, so after you click on the Hostinger website builder, it's going to ask you a couple questions here. Do you want to create or do you want to migrate a website? For this example, we'll be creating a brand new website for our food blog, and we go ahead and hit next. And here it's going to ask how you want to build your website, whether that's WordPress with AI or Hostinger website builder. So we're going to go ahead and use Hostinger website builder and click next. Now from here, if you've already selected your domain, you might be able to skip this step. If not, this is where you can go ahead and select your domain. For this example, we're going to go ahead and just use a temporary domain. Now from here, it's going to ask you if you want to use Hostinger's AI website builder or if you want to select from some pre-made templates. Now we have some other videos on the channel using the AI builder. So for this example, we're going to go ahead and use one of the pre-made templates. So from here, what you can do is you can go ahead and select by different categories. So there's, all templates, popular templates, landing page, stuff for fashion, photography, portfolio, blog, restaurant, service. So we'll go ahead and click on the blog, and we'll go ahead and find something that looks good here. My culinary journey from A to Z. And then what you can do, you can either select the template or you can preview it. So let's go ahead and preview this and see if this is what we like. And for a food blog, this honestly looks pretty perfect. Now, what we can do as well up here before, we decide to start building, we can click on this to make sure that it looks okay on mobile, because this day and age, a lot of search comes from mobile anyways. So we want to make sure that it looks good there, not just on the desktop. And yeah, that looks good. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and hit start building. Now, this isn't going to be a super in-depth tutorial on how to use Hostinger's website builder. You can go ahead ahead and come in here and customize it, play around with it however you see fit. There are the different sections over here to get started. So there's the site setup checklist. There's the add elements button. So here you can add all these different elements to your website. Here's the pages and navigation. So you can add different pages and navigation here. There's the website styles. So this is where you can change colors, fonts, buttons, and animations. And this is the AI tools here. So you can have an AI image generator, AI writer, AI page generator, AI section generator, all these different AI tools. And then here, this is the blog section. So this is where you would type in your different recipes or articles that you'd like to put on your food blog. And below that, we have the online store. So this is where you can set up your online store through Hostinger. And lastly, here are just some other tools to get your website exactly how you'd like it. Essential features for your food blog. So your food blog should have several key features to make it user-friendly and engaging, starting with a homepage. This is where you can welcome visitors and highlight your best recipes or recent posts. An about page. This is where you can share your story, cooking philosophy, and what inspires your recipes. Next, have a recipe index. This is where you can organize recipes by categories such as appetizers, main courses, desserts, or dietary restrictions. Blog. Regularly update your blog with new recipes, cooking tips, and food-related content. Contact page. Provide a way for readers to get in touch with you. Social media integration. Connect your social media accounts to your blog to grow your audience. Creating essential pages and content. So your food blog should have several key pages and high quality content to attract and retain visitors. Again, take a look at that homepage. This is your first impression, so you want to make it count. You should include a professional photo, a brief introduction, and a call to action, encouraging visitors to explore your recipes. About page. Dive deeper into your background, cooking journey, and what makes your blog unique. You can share your culinary credentials, personal anecdotes, and the inspiration behind your recipes. For the recipe index, this is where you can organize your recipes in a user-friendly way. Consider creating categories such as breakfast, lunch, dinner, desserts, vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free, etc. Blog page. Regularly update your blog with valuable content like cooking tips, how-to guides, and food trends. This not only helps with SEO, but also establishes you as an expert in your field. Contact page. Make it easy for readers to reach you by including a contact form, email address, and links to your social media profiles. Writing compelling recipe posts. Creating engaging and informative recipe posts is crucial to attracting and retaining readers. Here's a quick guide to writing compelling content for your food blog. Introduction. Start with a personal story or interesting fact related to the recipe. For example, this chocolate cake recipe has been a family favorite for generations. My grandmother used to make it every Sunday, and now I'm excited to share it with you. Explain why the recipe is special and what makes it worth trying. Example, not only is this cake incredibly moist and rich, but it's also surprisingly easy to make. 2. Ingredients list. List all ingredients with exact measurements. Consider including notes for substitutions. For example, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, etc. 3. Step-by-step instructions. Provide clear and detailed instructions breaking down each step of the recipe. Include tips and tricks to help readers achieve the best results. Example, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, and baking soda. Stir until well mixed. 4. Photos and videos. Include high-quality photos or videos for each step of the recipe. Visual aids can make the cooking process easier for your readers to follow. For example, see the video below for a step-by-step guide to making the perfect chocolate cake. 5. Additional tips and serving suggestions. Offer additional tips and serving suggestions to enhance the reader's experience. For example, for an extra touch, top your cake with fresh berries or a dusting of powdered sugar. This cake also pairs perfectly with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. 6. Call to action. Encourage your readers to leave comments, share their results, and follow your blog for more recipes. For example, did you try out this recipe? If so, let me know down in the comments below how it turned out. And don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. By following these steps, you'll create high quality recipe posts that engage your audience and keep them coming back for more. Promoting your food blog. To attract readers to your blog, you'll need to promote it effectively. Here are some strategies to do just that. Social media. Share your recipes on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Pinterest, and use relevant hashtags and engage with your audience regularly. SEO. Use SEO techniques to improve your blog's visibility on search engines. Include keywords related to your recipes in your content and meta descriptions. Guest blogging. Write guest posts for other food-related websites to reach a wider audience. Email newsletter. Create a newsletter to keep your readers updated on new recipes and blog posts. Encourage visitors to subscribe by offering a free recipe, ebook, or cookbook cooking guide. Food blogging communities. Join food blogging communities and forums to network with other bloggers and promote your content. Monetizing your food blog. Finally, let's talk about monetization. Here are some different ways to earn money from your food blog. First up's affiliate marketing. You can use affiliate links in your recipe posts and content to earn commissions from kitchen products, cookware, and ingredients. Sponsored posts. Collaborate with food brands and write sponsored posts or product reviews. Ad networks. Join ad networks like Google AdSense to display ads on your blog. Ebooks and online courses. Create and sell ebooks or online cooking courses. Merchandise. Sell branded merchandise like aprons, kitchen towels, and recipe cards. Starting a food blog is a fantastic way to share your passion for cooking while potentially earning an income through affiliate marketing and other monetization methods. By following these steps and using Hostinger's built-in website builder, you'll be well on your way to creating a successful food blog. So that's everything that you need to know about how to start a food blog using Hostinger. Again, we'll leave links down below to Hostinger where you guys can get started for less than $3 per month. Just make sure to use that link and use code MyFirstWebsite for an even greater discount. Now, these are affiliate links that cost you nothing extra. In fact, they're going to save you a lot of money. So don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on web development and design. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you in the next video.